Hi guys, today I'm going to show you the unboxing and quick review of the DJI Mini microphone. By the way, that's the set with the two microphones and the cradle. So I'm going to take it out of the box, show you everything what you get. And after that, I'm going to make a quick sound check here, having the transmitter mounted here and the receiver on my Android phone. And then I'm going to make another test on my Windows 11 PC to see if it's also working there. Usually USB-C microphones are supposed to work also there, but sometimes they work a little bit in a different way or not at all. So I want to make sure that it also works there. And maybe I'll also try to connect it to the DJI Action 4. But these will be the 3 only quick technical tests I'm going to do. Came nicely sealed, not the most fancy package, but I would say decent for a technical thing. Here another plastic inside. Comes even with some kind of a pouch here with a zipper. I mean, usually I don't need that. I'm good with the cradle, but there are some things which cannot be stored in the cradle. And so regarding wires, we get this 3.5mm to 3.5mm audio cable that could be used, for example, for DSLR. Then we get the standard USB-A to USB-C charging cable. By the way, if you're interested to know, that's the J6 microphone which I'm using currently. It's not perfect, but also not a bad thing. Here on top we have these fluffy things like wind socks. So these are the parts which are not fitting into the cradle. And so let's open the cradle. And so here we have the cradle, looks really nice. We have a sticker here which says press to unlock. Just pushing doesn't work. We definitely have to remove the sticker first, and only after that we can push here and open, and that's what's inside. Already flashing green, maybe waits for a charge. So let's take out this one here. Looks like there's no protection. That's a microphone, like a transmitter. Then another one on this side, also no protection. You don't have to be worried that it wouldn't charge. Then the receiver, really nice, beautiful, small. Here is the pins, all the buttons. And there's a USB-C plug. That's the one which you can use, I think, for a smartphone. So I think we can just push it to the side here and then replace this part with this USB-C plug. Push it here inside. The question is then, will it still fit to the charging cradle? Yeah, definitely fits and still charging. That's good. So we don't have to remove that every time. So we can store this small lid here instead of the USB plug. A little bit disappointing maybe regarding the info here. When we open, we can see it's just 1 out of 4 bars, so battery seems to be low, but we can't see what's actually doing. Would have been nice to see the charge of the cradle and the charge of the transmitters. But looks like I have to charge it first here in the back with the USB, but after that I'm going to replace this microphone and then shoot quick test to see how good the quality really is. Yeah, one more thing before starting with the live microphone test. There's another thing I found in the package. I guess that's some stickers here, DJI stickers, some warranty information and a quick starter guide which explains how to use it, safety information. Microphone and the receiver are still charging. Yeah, here we have to charge the transmitter and the receiver with some other wireless lavalier microphones like the J6, which I'm using now. We don't have to charge the receiver because we have to always plug it into a phone or so. But here is the DJI microphone. You can also use it, for example, for DSLR cameras where we don't have a power supply. The instructions say that the microphone can be used also with the Osmo Pocket 3 or the Osmo Action Pro 5 or 5 Pro. There's nothing about the Action 4. So I'm curious to see if that really works. That would be quite a bummer if that wouldn't work. So of course we have to choose here the video, then slide down. Here we have the settings, go down, and there's the wireless microphone. Here's some button, maybe pairing button. Let's click here. After long pressing, it's flashing green and blue, but I can't see anything here. Okay, interesting. Took some time here to start, obviously, to get into the connecting mode. So let's long press again for the blue flashing, and now we have solid blue. Yeah, DJI Osmo audio connected. I've been away reading the instructions while it switched to this screen here. Yeah, we can definitely see that there is some reception. Does it show it here? Yeah, it's pretty cool. You can see there's a green line here. And so I'm back here. You can see I have two microphones, one connected to my phone, one connected to this Action 4, which I'm using here to record at the moment. Yeah, change the camera angle. I hope you can still see me. By the way, I've stopped the Action 4 and started it again. Took about 5 to 10 seconds and then it connected automatically to the microphone again. So I removed the receiver from the J6 microphone, adding the one here from the DJI Mini mic. It's a little bit larger, but still fits here on this Samsung. Gives me some kind of information. Open DJI Memo or MIMO to handle DJI Mic Mini. This app has not been granted a record permission. Yeah, I click on OK, but actually I want to record directly from the normal camera. Yeah, now brought me to the settings of the DJI app. Click on exit. I think I can exit here. Let's see if that still works. Go to the normal video here. So I've brought now the second DJI microphone here and I didn't do any connection settings. So I think by default it's connected to this receiver anyway. We have green here, we have green here. And so when I click on recording, you can see it says recording audio through USB microphone. This is exactly what we want to see. So it looks like there's really not a lot of settings needed. That's the cool thing here. I don't know how it would be if we would switch from here to this receiver. Can't show everything here, but the basics, at least at the moment, are looking pretty good. And I'm usually not switching microphones every couple of minutes, so I'm good with that. So I guess I can also use it like that on my PC using a USB-A to USB-C adapter. So I plug it in, hope you can see that. So that's what I'm going to plug in into my PC or in the USB hub. Okay, so let's start recording here. And I think it's really using the DJI microphone. You can see it has automatically added the DJI Mini mic here. And so I'm back here after listening to the things which I have been recording, and the things on the Action 4 were really good. But then I've been listening to what have been recorded on my Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, and I was definitely not convinced. I don't know if the problem was that I closed the app. Now this time while I'm recording, by the way, here I'm recording also from this microphone here, the DJI Mini microphone. Yeah, this time I didn't close the app. Yeah, I just switched through the task manager to the normal video recorder, and so I hope it's recording while using the DJI software in the back. Maybe that's better. I've also been listening to the recording on my PC and it was exactly the same as with my phone. The sound was not really good. It was pretty basic, didn't sound very natural, but maybe we can enhance that. Of course, we can also use the power button here to turn on noise cancellation. At least that's what I've done in the settings. So we click here on the side, then we get the yellow LED on the other side. So now I'm recording with the noise cancellation. By the way, there's also this magnet here which you can remove, and even though we are removing the magnet, we can still use the clip, so we never have to remove the clip here. That's a nice thing. So I hope it's still working. Of course, there can be a little bit of interference while I'm holding the microphone by hand. So I'm using the magnet here underneath my shirt. The magnet is super strong, definitely much stronger than with the J6 here, but still the J6 not a bad thing. We even have some charge level here. Yeah, removing the noise cancellation again. Yellow light is gone. But we still have the DJI software in the back. Maybe it's doing something, I don't know. What I also want to try is the fluffy thing. How to say how this should go. There are some openings here on the top. Yeah, now I heard something snapping. I still see the green light on the receiver. Everything should be good to go. But of course, that's not the optimum. That was just a first try. I will definitely try and see if I can improve the quality on my phone and on the PC. And so that's another test on my PC. What I've noticed is that on the PC, it's recording also with lower sensitivity. So I'm recording here with a 12 decibel boost from the receiver. Of course, with the windsock and also using the noise cancellation, but having the microphone in about the same position. Oh yeah, one more thing before I forget. There's of course this recording level adjustment on the receiver. Let's try this. By the way, I've been trying to charge the transmitter in the cradle with this fluffy thing, and it's definitely works. So that's a good thing. So if you have two microphones, you can add maybe the fluffy thing to one microphone and leave one without. And so you don't have to add and remove all the time this fluffy thing. But now let's try with the audio gain. So I have it on neutral and I increase. I think that's +6, that's +12. Let's go back here. That's -6, a little bit hard to see. And that's the -12 something like that. Of course, we have a very difficult situation here regarding the audio in this very small room, so we have a lot of echoing here. So no matter what microphone I'm using, it's always very difficult. And so I would say that's it for now. If you're interested in this microphone, then you can find the link down in the description of the video, so you can check it out, or the set for you if you like it. What's interesting, you can also buy the normal set, the small one with just a receiver and transmitter, and it's even below $100. That's really interesting, much cheaper than the original mic. So maybe also consider this one. And yeah, that's it for now. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.